Here are some top interesting facts for today. Have you ever wondered how a cup of coffee can change the world? Well, it turns out that humans aren't the only ones who benefit from a caffeine boost. A fascinating scientific discovery has recently shed light on bees, those tiny buzzing creatures we so often take for granted, and their surprising reaction to caffeine. Scientists embarked on a study observing bees and their foraging habits in relation to caffeine. They laced nectar with a hint of this stimulant and watched as these bees became supercharged foragers. The caffeinated bees were not only more productive, they were also more efficient at bringing back food to the hive. But why does this matter? Well, bees are more than just honey producers. They are the world's most important pollinators of food crops. It's estimated that 1/3 of the food that we consume each day relies on pollination, primarily by bees. So consider this. What if we could harness the power of caffeine to increase the productivity of these buzzing workers? The implications for agricultural practices are vast. We could potentially improve crop yields, bolster food security, and even support biodiversity by boosting the health and productivity of bee populations. What if we tell you that frog cells could be the future of robotics? Yes, you heard that right. Frog cells, the microscopic building blocks of our amphibian friends, are now stepping into the limelight in the field of biorobotics. This is the dawn of xenobots, a new class of artifact, part living being, part machine. The story behind this groundbreaking research is as fascinating as the xenobots themselves. It all started with stem cells, the biological blank slates capable of becoming any type of cell. Scientists harvested these from frog embryos, specifically the African clawed frog, a species renowned for its regenerative abilities. These cells were then meticulously assembled into a design generated by a supercomputer, creating the world's first living programmable organism. But how does it work? Well, the xenobots can move, heal themselves if injured, and even perform simple tasks. They do this without any traditional robotic parts, entirely propelled by the heart muscle cells included in their design. It's a remarkable blend of biology and technology, a testament to the wonders of science. Now you might be wondering what these xenobots can do. The potential uses are as vast as they are exciting. Picture this: microbots swimming through your bloodstream, delivering targeted treatments for diseases, or xenobots designed to consume harmful substances, aiding in environmental cleanup. The possibilities are only limited by our imagination and the pace of scientific discovery. Moreover, the creation of xenobots also opens up new avenues for understanding the mysteries of cellular biology. By building and observing these tiny organisms, we can gain insights into the behavior and function of cells and tissues, and how they coordinate complex actions. This is just the beginning. As we continue to explore this new frontier, who knows what other remarkable discoveries await us? From a frog cell to a xenobot, the future of robotics is undeniably fascinating. Why does your dog tilt its head when you talk? Is it trying to understand you better? This question has puzzled pet owners and scientists alike for decades. But don't worry, we're not just going to leave you hanging with a rhetorical question. We've gathered some scientific explanations to help unravel this canine conundrum. One theory suggests that dogs tilt their heads to adjust their pinnae, or outer ears, to better locate the source of a sound. You see, dogs have a remarkable ability to gauge the direction of a noise, and by tilting their heads, they can align their ear canals to maximize sound reception. It's like they're tuning their personal biological radar to understand us better. Another theory proposes that dogs tilt their heads to see our faces more clearly. A quick head tilt might just be their way of getting an unobstructed view of our facial expressions, which, as we know, play a significant role in human communication. There's also a more emotional hypothesis at play. Some experts believe that head tilting could be a learned behavior, where dogs have realized that this adorable action gets a positive response from their humans. In other words, your dog might be tilting its head because it knows you find it irresistibly cute, and it's a surefire way to get your attention, or maybe even a treat. These theories offer fascinating insights into canine behavior and communication. They also have implications for dog training. Understanding the reasons behind your dog's head tilt can help you connect with your pet on a deeper level, enhancing your bond and making training sessions more effective. So when your dog tilts its head, it's not just being cute, it's trying to understand you better. Crocodiles, fearsome predators, or sensitive caregivers? You might be surprised. When we think of crocodiles, the first image that comes to mind is probably not one of a nurturing nanny. Yet recent studies have revealed a surprising facet of these formidable creatures. They're surprisingly sensitive to the cries of infants. Yes, you heard that right. These apex predators, known for their strength, show an unexpected sensitivity towards the sounds of distress emitted by young ones. This intriguing discovery was made during a series of controlled experiments. Researchers played recordings of infant distress calls near crocodile nests. The response was nothing short of astonishing. Mother crocodiles would rush to the source of the sound, displaying behaviors associated with concern and protection. But why would a crocodile, a creature that's often feared and avoided, display such behavior? Well, it turns out that crocodiles, like many animals, have a strong maternal instinct. They guard their nests fiercely and are known to carry their young in their mouths to protect them from predators. The sensitivity to infant cries appears to be an extension of this instinct. This discovery has profound implications for our understanding of crocodile behavior. It challenges the stereotype of crocodiles as mindless killing machines and brings to light their capacity for care and empathy. More significantly, it could influence wildlife conservation efforts. By understanding the emotional complexity of these creatures, we can devise strategies that respect their natural behaviors and promote their survival. Remember, even the fiercest predators have a softer side. The next fascinating fact is that the rats are playing a big role in saving human lives. Let's take a closer look at this unexpected twist. A group of trained rats known as hero rats are being used to detect landmines. Yes, you heard that right. This innovative approach was born out of necessity. Landmines continue to be a devastating problem in many parts of the world, causing countless injuries and deaths. Traditional methods of detection are slow, dangerous, and expensive. Enter the hero rats. These rats are trained from a young age to sniff out the explosive chemicals in landmines. Their keen sense of smell, combined with their light weight, which prevents the mines from detonating, makes them the perfect candidates for the job, and they've been remarkably successful. These hero ratees have helped clear landmines in several countries, including Mozambique, which declared itself landmine-free in 2015, thanks in large part to these tiny heroes. But let's not forget the implications of this work. These rats are not just saving lives, they are also paving the way for recovery and development in areas previously ravaged by conflict. By clearing landmines, they are making it possible for people to safely return to their homes, for children to play without fear, and for land to be used for agriculture once again.